Please, God, just disregard my hair. All right, that's how it's gonna be for the moment. Leave it alone, leave it alone. Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. All right, so real quick before I get started with the makeup portion of this video, I just want to tell you about a really important cause that is going around. It all started with a YouTuber named Mr. Beast. He hit 20 million subscribers and he's celebrating by planting 20 million trees with the help of 600 YouTubers. So they are partnering with the Arbor Day Foundation to plant 20 million trees by the end of this year. So for every $1 that you donate to teamtrees.org, they will plant one tree. This is a really simple and cheap way to combat climate change. Trees take CO2 out of the air, they take the carbon, give us back the O2, which we breathe, and a lot of other oxygen breathing organisms on our planet. So I know, unfortunately, planting 20 million trees is not going to stop climate change, but it's an easy thing we can do now, and it only costs $1. So you can literally go donate $1 for one tree, or you can donate however much you want. Or if you can't donate, you can go on Twitter and just share hashtag Team Trees. Help get the word out there. So if you can donate, go to teamtrees.org and plant some little trees. It's really cool what they're doing. Okay, so now, I know my hair is up, so it doesn't matter that I'm doing this, but I'm doing it anyway, because I got new cat ears. My face desperately needs some makeup, and I don't want to put in a lot of effort today. It's raining, it's gonna rain all day, I have a migraine, my cat just crapped on the floor, so I'm kind of done with today, even though it's just starting, but I want to do something simple. I just want to put on some foundation. I do have some brows on, a little bit of lip gloss, and I have my eyes primed with a little bit of concealer. So today, finally, I am trying a product by a brand that I have never used. It's called Kiko Milano, and it is the Sicilian Notes Full Coverage Hydra Foundation. Maybe. There it is. So this gives you 0.81 fluid ounces. You know, normally you get an ounce. It retails for $24. And on Ulta.com, it comes in 4 shades. How is that a thing? And on their website, it comes with 8. So that's better. And I know that it's ridiculous. I shouldn't even be trying this, but Hydra Foundation, my skin is super dry. I wanted to see if it worked. And if it did, then I can give them crap, extend their shade range, and if it doesn't work, then who cares if they don't have a good shade range, because I'm not gonna use it. So this is in the shade 01 Ivory. It comes with a little brush that they tell you to use. Like, how am I even supposed to get a grip on this? I can't even get it out of the little plastic thing. I'm just gotta rip it off. All right, so there's the little brush. Oh, it's super soft, very cute. And then, I don't know why they made a box this big, but it comes in a little jar. I only touched it just to see the shade, and it's like a mousse. And it smells like Play-Doh, and then I even asked my husband, what does this smell like? And he said Play-Doh. So this is supposed to have hyaluronic acid, and let's see, some sweet orange blossom extract, and give a matte to radiant finish. So it says, pick up the product using the dedicated brush included. Apply foundation starting in the center of your face, working outwards. So I'm gonna prime, and I'm just gonna use my Kevyn Glass Glow Face. I don't even remember what it was called. Slap this on real quick. Oh my God, this stuff makes me look so greasy. It's like one of the few things that actually helps my face not look gross and dry when I'm putting on foundation. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna pick up a little bit. So start towards the center of my face, which is my nose, which is the driest thing on my face, and work outwards. This is supposed to be medium to full coverage and be buildable. And I will give a disclaimer that like right up here and on the tip of my nose or the bridge of my nose is very dry. So if it looks dry, that's just me. One way I can tell if a foundation is drying for me too matte is like in my cheek area. So that will be the telltale sign. All right, I'm just gonna keep picking up some product and work it down. Oh, and let's continue to ignore this straightener accident. It is not a hickey. I would tell you. The brush, not my favorite thing. Like this just does not look like it's blended in. So I'm gonna take my little beauty blender. I think this is the blusher one. And I'm just gonna go over this real quick to kind of even it out and blend it better. It looks a little cakey, like on my cheeks right here already. This probably isn't gonna make it through the day. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna put on some concealer and just see if it moves my foundation around or anything like that. Just kicking off that little bit of excess. And I like very lightly dusted like whatever was on my brush on my face. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It could be one, the brush, because the brush definitely put it on super thick. Could be that it's my skin. I feel like going in with a little bit and building it up at a time would probably be better, but I'm gonna give this a wear test like I do, let you guys know how it looks, and I will report back in a couple of hours. Fingers crossed. All right, so if you've seen any of my other check-ins, you know that I'm in my bathroom. Gets really good lighting. It's only been about 4 hours and I have to get this foundation off. The smell, it's not even like a terrible smell. It's not florally or anything like that. It smells like Play-Doh, but I'm super sensitive to smell. I have a migraine, so this is coming off. And I feel like it's moving. Like I feel like anywhere I touch, it's on my fingers, it's coming off. Kind of see that right there. And let's see. It doesn't look that fantastic. And the coverage, like my brown spots are still really, really visible. So I know I could have set it more, but that's kind of making it too matte and counteracting the fact that it's a hydration foundation. So I guess their shade range doesn't matter to me. So for someone like me with dry skin, this is a pass for me. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.